Today's question is: what is basic sewing and clothing repair? Basic sewing and clothing repair are practical life skills that help people take care of their garments and extend their lifespan. These skills are important because they save money, promote sustainability, and encourage creativity. Instead of throwing away clothes with minor damage, such as loose buttons, small tears, or frayed hems, basic sewing techniques can restore them to good condition. To get started with sewing, certain tools are essential. Needles are used for stitching, while threads of various colors are chosen to match different fabrics. Scissors ensure neat cutting. Pins help hold fabrics in place before sewing, and measuring tapes allow for accurate adjustments. With these tools, even beginners can perform simple but effective repairs. Learning basic sewing techniques is the key to successful clothing repair. The running stitch is useful for quick or temporary fixes. The back stitch is strong and durable for permanent seams. And the hemming stitch is ideal for finishing edges. These simple stitches can be applied to many different repair situations at home. The benefits of sewing go beyond practicality. It helps save money because repaired clothes last longer, reducing the need for new purchases. It fosters creativity by allowing individuals to redesign or personalize old garments. It also supports environmental protection by reducing textile waste, which is one of the major contributors to pollution.